Oh, hello again! Welcome back to another Powtoon guide video about creating simple animation. Today, we're going to create a more complex scene by ourselves and learn even more about the many elements that can be used. On the first video, we're shown that we can simply choose a pre-made background to save time. But the drawbacks are that Powtoon may not have a particular background you wanted, and the background is a solid plate with no interactable prop, therefore is quite limiting. So that is why you have to construct it by yourself. First as always is the audio narration. Here's one that I have chosen.
In 2011, the company has a meeting discussing about their recent performance.
Alright, now for some characters. Since it's going to be a meeting, let's have some character in a formal attire sitting down, one character talking about the company performance, and perhaps even one character typing something on their computers. All the different actions can be found in the pose area. In the narration they said in 2011, so I want to add a little text to indicate the time as well. Click on text and select add title. I want to add a big text to make it sort of artistic like one of those Marvel movies, if you know what I mean. I also just want this to appear for only at the beginning and only for a few seconds. So to do that, I'm going to first select the text, drag its end duration back like so.
In 2011, the company has a meeting discussing about their recent performance.
Perfect. Now it's time to construct the background. Almost everything you'll need is in the prop section right here. But it will be quite time consuming to find what you want due to this category having so many things. That's why we can utilize the search bar right here. Just type in what you need and all the options will appear. Now I'm gonna type in chairs. And there you go. Let's get some chair for everyone. Alright, how about some table as well? Wow, looking like a meeting room already. Now I'm just gonna run through and add some more props to make this look as much like a meeting room as possible. This is where your creativity shines. Attention to detail will bring your scene to life. Now let's go. Now let's play it all together.
In 2011, the company has a meeting discussing about their recent performance.
That was great! But there are two other quick alternatives I would like to introduce if you sometime hit a wall or just run out of ideas. The first one is scene. In here you can find pre-made scenes that are well built by Powtoon themselves. Just like prop, you can just search some keyword that relate to your scene. In this situation, it could be something like meeting or office, and the suitable scene will appear. In the instant that your video doesn't have to be 100% animated cartoon, your second option is video. Here, Powtoon has a selection of stock footage that you can use for your video, and just like the others, just search for what you need. After that, you just need to readjust it on the timeline and in the scene. Congratulations! You have now created an entire scene just by yourself. This section is where you tinker with all sort of props and let your creativity fly. The limit is only your imagination. For more Powtoon guide, please check out our other videos.